Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I will show you exactly how to remove your Apple Cash card from your Apple Wallet in 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see a list of all your cards and keys. Now look for the previous cards section. This is where you can view cards you have used for. Next, go back to your settings app. Scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Now, in this menu, you'll see a section labeled Apple Cash. This is where Apple manages your peer to peer money transfers. Tap on Apple Cash and then simply turn it off. Once you do that, Apple Cash card will be removed from your wallet. Just a heads up, turning it off won't delete your balance. The funds will still be available if you turn it back on later. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech problem solving tips. I'll see you in the next one.